For great advice on how to invest, try these helpful tips. Some people may have a bit of fear when they think about losing what little money they have in stock market investments. Remember, however, that if you purchase stocks intelligently, this does not have to happen. Read on to find out how you can start investing in stocks and make calculated risk that could actually make you profits rather than losing money. You should always investigate the fees that you will be liable for from a broker before you register with them. Make sure to find out what fees are paid up front and what fees are due at the end of the transaction. Those fees add up to significant amounts, quite quickly. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. If a return is being guaranteed, there's a good chance that fraud is involved. There is no way to take part in investing without some risk, and any broker that tells you otherwise is lying. This is not a person that you want to place your money with. Choose the top stocks in multiple sectors to create a well-balanced portfolio. Even while the entire market expands on average, not every sector will grow each year. Your portfolio will grow more if you have investments in multiple areas. Rebalancing regularly can help you lessen your losses in those shrinking sectors, but also allowing you a better position for when they grow again. For some fun in investing in stocks, take a look at penny stocks. The term applies not just to stocks worth pennies, but most stocks with values less than a few dollars. Since these stocks come dirt cheap, even a movement of $1 or $2 can yield major dividends. This can be a low-cost way of learning the markets. As you can see, the stock market isn't a dangerous investment if you know what you're doing. The tips you read in this video should help you figure out the difference between a wise investment and a risky one. Invest your money wisely, using these tips, and watch it grow. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.